Maharashtra. About my education, I completed BE Mechanical. My skill is matching with what you are hiring. I live with my family in Gulbarga, Karnataka. Hello,
Yes, yes, yes.
that's all.
Once again, sir, once again.
Hello,
Yes, yes, once again, please.
uh, can
Give your
I
introduction once again. I will share.
can I tell can I tell what are in previous we are studied experience goal.
Yes, yes. Yesterday we have done, no? Yeah,
Yes,
yesterday we have done. So according to that, you just say, I will share that thing, okay? So that you can accordingly that you have to say, okay?
no need to add goals experience.
No, you have to add that goal and experience and your achievement.
Strength.
Yesterday I've said no. Yesterday I have shared one PPT in that. So you have to share both of them. Achievement.
Depends on time. We want to say that, no, madam.
Right? Yeah, 1 minute. Just that is why I'm saying just practice. Today itself I will check the time. In 1 to 2 minutes, you have to complete. Like we have yesterday seen what you have to do. Okay. Here.
Okay.
Can you see this? Yes. Tell me
Yes, ma'am.
about yourself. Okay. So this is, and you add to achievement, your experience, and project. You said that you are a bachelor in you are a bachelor degree of mechanical engineering. So what are the projects and what your educational background? You have said skill set, achievement, and project. What you have done. So let us start. First, you prepare mentally. You just prepare yourself mindset. Mindset. Now it's 3:40. Just take 2 minutes for your introduction. Start now.
First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Syed Muzammil. I am from Latur, Maharashtra. About my education, I completed BE Mechanical in 2018. I have 6 months of experience in data research analyst uh, as a contact discovery process. Actually, my role was to search the prospect data like job title, company name, business email, contact detail as per given specs from LinkedIn and put that information on Excel sheet. My short-term goal is to get a job in reputed IT company where I can utilize my skill. My long-term goal is to develop my skill and become a responsible and knowledgeable personality and respected position on my company. My strengths are hardworking, self-motivate, team worker. My weakness is I can't say no to anyone when they ask me any help.
Okay, good.
Right now, I am looking for
Hmm, hmm.
an opportunity. Thank you.
Okay, good. You have taken 1 minute, sir. Good, good job. Once again, with
Oh,
confidence and effectiveness. Okay. So yeah, you have took one
oh.
minute. Continue same.
Madam, I had question.
Yes.
This is also tell me about yourself. In that, only 3 lines are you are saying. That is, it depends on yes, time, na?
Yes, yes.
Depends on
Time
situation.
also.
We have to depends on situation.
Yes.
We want
Tell
to
me
tell.
about yourself means whatever you have said. Based on that, the interviewer will ask question
Okay.
from your. Okay. First, he will know about you. Based on that, he will ask you the question.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so whatever you are saying, that it should be relevant, genuine, and you should have those, you have like you should know that particular course you have done and subjects, okay, like that. Related to that, he will ask the questions. So once again you
Okay.
repeat. So that is why achievement course. So related to that course, have you done any project? Say that. If you have experience, you have said,
Yes, yes,
suppose you
yes,
have
yes,
experience, he may ask about the experience.
yes, yes.
Okay, you have shared that experience you have, so he will ask what are the responsibilities you used to have during your job.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
so whatever you are conveying, based on that he will ask further. Once
Okay.
you done with the first interview, they will proceed you for the group discussion. Okay, so what is the importance of group discussion in the interview panel? Today we will discuss. Okay, it is the major
Okay.
role of any if you are going for interview, it is group discussion is a major role in that process, recruitment process. Recruitment process, it start with the first tell me about yourself, initial interview, then followed by group discussion, then technical round, then the personal round. For the recruitment final round, that is HR round. HR round, they will talk about the like pay scale, what they are offering, and what any contract, and what is the tenure period of your job. So they will talk about that, HR people. That interview panel, they will go through, you have to go through with the tell me about yourself. Based on that, they will take a follow up to you. According to that, they will take the interviews, further interviews. Okay, once again you have done very good job today. Once again, tell me about yourself.
First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Syed Muzammil. I am from Latur, Maharashtra. About my education, I completed BE Mechanical. I have 6 months of experience in research, as a research analyst in the process of contact discovery. I have knowledge of basic knowledge of Microsoft server administration and some hardware and networking. Some knowledge of some hardware and networking. Um, my short-term goal is to get a job in a reputed IT company where I can put my skill. I can utilize my skill. My long-term goal is to develop my skill and become a responsible and knowledgeable personality and on respected position on my company. My strengths are hardworking, self-motivated, team worker. My weakness is I can't say no to anyone when they ask me any help, and I can easily trust people. That's all about me. Thank you once more.
Thank
Hello.
you once again. And I
Once again.
interest
Once.
show. Okay, show the interest in the last statement. Yesterday we discussed that three things.
Right.
Tell me about
Okay. Okay.
yourself. It should have three things. Okay.
Okay.
So
I
last you should
now.
add that.
Okay. I am saying. I feel I am now ready for more challenging assignment. Uh, and
Okay.
this position really excites me. Is this
Okay.
okay?
Good. So you took
Hello?
your what do you say? What do you say? Just now you have given. Tell me about yourself. You have conveyed. You have communicated that. So what do you say about this? You are
What, man?
satisfied what you have said? Just now you have given that, you have said, okay, you have communicated about the what. Tell me about yourself. Okay, about yourself
Yes.
you have communicated. Are you satisfied, good, or very good? Give the rating. Satisfied, good, or very good?
Rating. Okay. Satisfy,
You
madam.
should give yourself. Yes.
Satisfy, I think.
Satisfied, good. So what you
No, you,
required?
I, I'm achievement and achievement.
No. For me, I will rate you satisfied. Okay. You
Okay.
need practice, practice, practice to come up to the
Okay.
level of good. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay, ma'am.
you need to practice.
Okay.
Okay. So do that. Okay. Please. Good
Okay.
job you are doing, but still you need practice. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next, please. Anybody? Yes. Next, please. Anybody? Yes. Anybody? Please. Muhammad Amjad. Muhammad Amjad, please. Mr. Muhammad Amjad, tell me about yourself.
Yeah, ma'am. 1 minute.
Okay, sir. Please continue. Okay. Meantime, I will start with the group discussion. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. Uh, like after few minutes, I will take from your side from Mr. Muzammil and Mr. Muhammad Amjad. You have to
Okay.
say about yourself. Okay.
Tell me about this. Okay, ma'am. Best friend.
Okay.
Definitely. Yeah, ma'am. Okay.
Now today we'll discuss about the this one. Okay. Group discussion. Okay, group discussion is a part of your interview, major part of your interview. How it is a major part of your interview? Today let us check it out for this. Okay, group discussion is a methodology, or in a simple language you may call it an interview process or a group activity. Okay, group discussion, we can say that it is a interview process or a group activity. It is used as one of the best tools to select the prospective candidates. Okay, it is a tool of selecting best candidates among number of candidates. Okay, in a comparative perspective, group discussion may be used by an interviewer at an organization, colleges, or even at different types of management competitions. A group discussion is a methodology used by an organization to gauge whether the candidate has certain personality traits and or skills that it desires in its members. In this methodology, the group of candidates is given a topic or a situation, given a few minutes to think about the same, and then asked to discuss the topic among themselves for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, it is a tool for the interview panel of an organization to evaluate the candidates, how good they are. By on this spot they will give you the topic, and they will give you few minutes to think about that, and you have to say, you have to discuss on that particular topic about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, it is a very useful tool to screen the candidates potential as well as their skills. Okay, it is a very good tool for checking the candidates potential as well as their skills. Okay, then group discussion evaluation is done by the subject experts based on the discussions. Who will evaluate this group discussion? Subject experts. Okay, a report will be prepared on analyzing the facts at the end of the discussion. What they will check, interview panel, what they will check about the candidates, about the personality trends during the group discussion. What are the personality trends? Traits. Personality traits are communication skill, interpersonal skills, leadership skills, motivational skills, team building skills, analytical or logical skills, reasoning ability, different thinking, initiative, assertiveness, flexibility, creativity, ability to think on one's feet. Okay, on this
Ma'am,
board they will be giving you the topic. Based on that topic you have to think. So means you have the, so many people, suppose a group of 8 to 10 people, so 8 to 10 people, they have their different mentalities. Based on their, so they are sharing their views. Discussion means these 8 to 10 people, they are sharing their views on a particular topic. So means it is a team of 10 members, and one member will take the initiative for becoming a leadership quality. If one member he has the leadership qualities, he will stand for the leadership among that 10 members of team. So you have to take the initiative of leadership quality. You have to motivate yourself that I want to be a leader of this team, and I want to lead this team with this group discussion. So they will check these personality trends by conducting this group discussion. Then how you will incorporate yourself another with another, they will check it out by interpersonal skills, how you will manage in the team, each and every player in the team, how they will interact with each other. That is called the interpersonal skills. Okay, then team building, how the team will build among themselves. They will build among themselves so that they want to have a peaceful group discussion. Okay, then flexibility, how much they will go on flexible, how they are flexible to understand the things. Okay, and they will come up with the people, they will come up with the new ideas, that is a creativity. So these are the things. So why group discussions are implemented commonly? Why these organizations basically they will conduct group discussions organization? Why they implemented commonly? The reason why institutes put you through a group discussion and an interview after testing your technical and conceptual skills in an exam is to get to know you as a person and gauge how well you will fit in their institute. So this group discussion after the first interview of what about yourself, then the technical round, then the group discussion. So group discussion evaluates how you can function as a part of a team, as a manager or as a member of an organization. You will always be working in teams. Therefore, how you interact in a team becomes an important criterion for your selection. Managers have to work in a team and get best results out of teamwork. That is the reason why management institutes include group discussion as a component of the selection procedure. Okay, so one of the component of the selection procedure is group discussion. So companies perspective about this group discussion is, companies conduct group discussion after the written test to know more about your interactive skills, behavior, participation, and your contribution. Okay, so first is your about yourself, your marketing yourself, then your technical round, then followed by technical round means return test, then followed by group discussion. By conducting this group discussion, they will company will organization will come to know about three things: your interactive skills, your behavior, participation, and the contribution. Okay, so interaction skills means how good you are at communication with other people, how you will convey the things with other people in the best way. They will check it out for that. Behavior, how open minded are you in accepting views contrary to your own. Okay, so you have to accept the others views, how you are open minded for accepting the views that is contrary to your own. That is a opposite to your view, how you will take that thing, how open minded you are. And the participation, how good an active speaker you are, and your attention to the discussion. So you should participation, you have to be participated, you have to participate in group discussion as a speaker as well as listener. So how finally you will play a role of a listener and the speaker. Then contribution, how much importance do you give to the group objective as well as your own. Okay, contribution, how you will give the importance to your group and yourself. Okay, like that. Then aspects which make up a group discussion are, what are the aspects of group discussion? Verbal communication, non-verbal behavior, confirmation to norms, decision making ability, cooperation. Okay, verbal communication, non-verbal behavior, confirmation to norms, decision making ability, cooperation. These are the aspects of group discussion. Here we have one topic, that mobile phones or internet, a boon or nonsense. Okay, it is the here we have a topic for group discussion, mobile phones or internet, a boon or nonsense. Okay, so for we have, okay, for and against. So for everyone is available to others for 24 by 7
Excuse me,
in a
ma'am.
week. Yes.
Ma'am, what is, interpersonal skills means, how it will be, ma'am? What will be?
Which skills?
Interpersonal skill.
Interpersonal skill means
Yeah,
if anybody, suppose two persons are talking, okay,
yeah.
interpersonal. So how will you react to the person if what you are saying, it is the other person is contraring to your views? So how you will
I mean,
react to that?
I
That is
mean
a
behavior,
interpersonal skills. Yes, behavior.
behavior, listening, and voice. Uh, I mean, the replying things.
Replying, yeah, in a polite
Yeah,
way manner. If you are not
yeah, yeah,
feeling that you are not accepting that whatever the other person is saying, so how you will convey the things, how you will
yeah.
means you are not arguing, you should not argue, you have to say in another other way. So
Okay,
that is an interpersonal skill. Debate, not in argument.
okay,
The
okay.
group discussion means like debate.
Yeah, yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, anything.
Ma'am, that boon or something. Yeah, boon. A boon means.
Boon means is a like flow, in demand. Boon means in demand.
Yeah, we should not
Okay,
get
it's a,
stopped, no, ma'am. We should be get continue going till it end.
yes, it's nowadays it's a boon since from 2018-19. It's a mobile phones and internets are boon. It's going on. It's working. Everything is on mobile phones and internet. Okay,
Yeah, nuisance
since
means.
from 5 years. So boon means continuous 5 years or it's all working. That is a boon or a nonsense. So every anything that has both thing advantages and disadvantages, we have to take the advantage. We have to don't misuse the things, make it as a useful thing. It depends on person to person how you are going to use this mobile phones and internet. So for those people, suppose we are using mobile phones and internet, we have used this. Okay, our Al Khair society, he has used this society has used this mobile phones and internet for providing e-learning. Using this mobile phones and internet, we are providing e-learning.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Electronic.
we are making use of good use. So it depends on person to person how they will use. So everyone is available to others for 24 by 7, that is 24 hours in a week. People say mobiles made life miserable by providing unlimited connectivity. but they don't understand the fact it also provide limited connectivity options, like you can switch off the phones. Mobile proved like Mobile proved lifesaver for human beings in many areas related with human health. Mobile proved boon for businesses as well, where crucial information is at reach for corporate decisions. Like nowadays, no need of going to the library. Okay, so Google it provide you the all information because of the internet, and you are reaching the people all over the world through internet.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wherever you are, you can access. Okay, if you have internet, proper internet connection. And mobile phones made life easy for people who are going to distant areas for expeditions to be in touch with rest of world. Just now I said, suppose if anybody wants to go to their native place, that is isolated place, if they have proper internet connection, they can be connected to their company in the city, metro city. So they are connecting to the metro cities if you are in isolated place or if you are in a village also. Okay, so that making thing internet possible. Same mobile phone helps in communicating to their relatives quickly during emergency situation. Getting an ambulance is a call away. Signals offer plenty of opportunity to quickly type an SMS. Parents gift mobile phone to their children to enable them to conduct during emergencies. Parents get update from school on their safe arrival. So wherever you are accessing that particular person. Okay, wherever in the world you can access that person through internet and mobile phones. So here against, mobile phone is hazard for human life as due to electromagnetic waves many people are suffering health problems of cancer, etc. Mobile phones give unlimited connectivity for human life, which made the life miserable for people who have been overusing the mobile phones. Few people claim that user can control mobile usage, but in many cases, switching off mobile phones considered as unprofessional, so people not able to cope up with this requirement and overutilizing the mobiles. Overutilizing of mobile is running social life of people by communicating on phones rather rather be in touch personally with friends and relatives. Mobile phones also deterring deterring the traditions because people are more busy on talking on phones on various ceremonies and rituals. Mobile phones also deterring the office atmosphere as many employees spending more time on mobiles rather on work. Mobile phones causing accidents because people are using them while driving. Younger generation waste lot of money on endless cell phone conversation which can be avoided. So these are the group discussion on mobile phones and internet. So here we have advantage and disadvantage, for and against. So like this, you in a group discussion, one topic today we have discussed. So anything you want to discuss from your side?
Yeah, ma'am. Nowadays, mobile and internet is a needed thing, ma'am. It's necessary in daily life. Uh,
Yeah,
Without mobile, we can't connect with other peoples. If we even we can't find jobs, ma'am. Basically, sometimes we will find jobs like Naukri.com.
yeah.
This can't happen without network and without mobile. And
Physical presence not required
yeah, ma'am. Physical
nowadays.
presence not required nowadays.
Yes. So you are saying for only mobile phones a boon. Mobile phone or internet, it is a boon, not a Nonsense.
Yeah, from 2017, ma'am. I was watching. I was looking at mobiles market, and 2016 that was nothing that much bigger market, and from 2017, ma'am, becomes very large market in India, ma'am.
Yeah.
They got mostly sold in India means mobile network. Samsung, MI, they will be leaving new brands, uh,
Brand.
not brand name that new version mobiles,
Yeah, yeah.
new
They
type
are
like
coming up with the new versions. Yes.
yeah,
Samsung Galaxy
yeah,
Gold.
A1, A2,
Some.
just they will be leaving in from 2017 to 2020. Biggest ma'am, Samsung and MI, Oppo, they live much lot.
Yeah. So anybody please why the GDs group discussions are implemented commonly. Just read this. Yes, why group discussions are implemented commonly. The
The
reason.
reason, the reason
Yes.
why institute put you through a group discussion and an interview after testing your technical and conceptual skills in after and skills in an exam is to get to know you as a person and gauge how well you will fit in their institute. GD evaluates how you can function as a part of a team, as a manager, or as a member of an organization. You will always be working in teams. Therefore, how you interact in a team becomes an important cerebrum of for
Crit-
your selection.
wait, criterion.
Criterion for your selection managers how to work in a team and get best result out of teamwork. That is the reason why management institutes include GD as a component of the selection procedure.
Okay, once again, sir, please.
The reason why institutes put you through a group discussion and an interview after testing your technical and conceptual skills in an exam is to get to know you as a person and gauge how well you will fit in you as a person in their institute. GD evaluates how you can function as a part of a team, as a manager, or as a member of an organization. You will always be working in teams, therefore, how you interact in a team becomes an important criterion of criterion for your selection. Managers have to work in a team and get best results out of teamwork. That is the reason why management institutes include GD as a component of the selection procedure.
Okay, good. Next, please.
Why GDR implemented commonly?
Okay.
The reason why institute put you through a group and an interview after testing your technical and conceptual skills in an exam is to get to know you as a person and gauges how well you will fit in their institute. GD evaluates how you can function as a part of a team, as a manager or as a member of an organization. You will always be working in teams. Therefore, how you interact in a team becomes an important criteria for your selections. Manager have to work in a team and get best result out of teamwork. That is the reason why management institute include GD as a component of the selections procedure.
Okay, good. Criterion. That is criterion. Okay. And what are
Yes.
why they will go for the group discussion? To gauge the candidates for their personality traits. Okay. What are the personality traits? Personality traits of the candidate. Communication skills,
communication skills, interpersonal skills, leadership skills, motivational skills, team building skills, analytical, logical skills, reasoning ability, different thinking, initiative, initiative, assertiveness, flexibility, creativity, ability to think on one's feet.
Once again, sir, please.
Some of some of the personality traits the GD is trying to gauge may include communication
May
skills,
include, may.
may include, sorry, communication skills, interpersonal skills, leadership skills, motivational skills, team building skills, analytical, logical skills, reasoning ability, different thinking, initiative, assertiveness, flexibility, creativity, ability to think think on one's feet.
Okay, good. This one, next one. Company's perspective. What is the perspective of company for conducting this group discussion? What is the perspective of company for conducting this group discussion?
Yeah, ma'am.
Company
Yeah, continue, brother.
continue. Hello. हाँ ठीक. Okay. Companies conduct group discussion after the written test to know about more about you.
No. K is silent.
Oh yes. Know more about you. Interactive skill. How good you are a, a
At communication,
communication.
how good?
Okay. This at communication with other people. Behavior. How open-minded are you in accepting views
Contrary,
contrary contrary to
contrary,
your own? Participation. How good
participation.
participation? How good an active speaker you are. You attention to the discussion. Contribution. How much importance do you give to the group objective as well as your own?
Once again, sir, please.
Companies conduct group discussion. Company's perspective. Company conduct group discussion after the written test to know more about you.
No.
Know about your in
More about
interact
you. Your interactive skills.
interactive skill. How good you are at communication with other people. Behavior. How open-minded are you in accepting views contrary to our own, your own? Participation. How good an active speaker you are. Your attention to discussion. Contribution. How much importance do you give to the group discussion, group objective as well as your own?
Okay, good. Here, aspects of group discussion.
Aspects which makes up a group discussion are verbal communication, non-verbal behavior, conformation to norms, decision making ability, cooperation.
Good. Once again, sir.
Aspects which makes group discussion are verbal communication, non-verbal behavior, conformation to norms, decision making ability, cooperation.
Cooperation. Cooperation.
What does it mean
Okay.
by confirmation to norm?
Cooperation.
How you will cooperate with each other. Okay, that one. And
And
non-verbal
confirmation,
behavior means
cooperation.
how you will react by your gestures, by giving your gestures, how you will react to the contrary during the discussion. Okay,
Ma'am,
that is a non-verbal behavior.
I want to meaning of this confirmation to norms.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
is
Yeah, confirmation to norms. So in the group discussion, you will get from others, you will get some discussion. So how you will means you how you will give a confirmation to that, yes, you are correct. That is a confirmation to norms. Norms means reality. Okay, fact. Yes, yes, this is the discussion is going on. You will come across with some conclusion, that so you how you will confirm to the norms, right things. Norms means right things. Give the
Cooperation.
confirmation to the right things. Okay, during discussion.
Okay.
Okay, anybody?
Corporations, ma'am. Corporations.
Cooperation means how you will cooperate in a team. Okay, a team group discussion means it's a group of 10 people. So these 10 people in a group, during discussion, how they will cooperate with each other. If somebody's view is not your contrary, means you are, it is not good, you are not appealing with that, what he is saying, what he has given a views. So how you will cooperate with that, how you will manage the
Yes.
things,
Ma'am, it's
that is a cooperation.
yeah, it's equal to verbal behavior, ma'am. I mean, it's verbal.
both
This is
both
behavior.
verbal and non-verbal, yes,
Yeah,
both it includes.
yeah.
So every time we should be like this, not only at the job place, not only at the in the organization, you should be always at each and every place.
Yeah, it should be natural behavior, ma'am, in us.
Yes, natural. So be like, if you have like you should be away from anger, and every time you everyone should inculcate this habit of humbleness, politeness, and
Anger management.
patience. We should have patience, and
Anger management.
forgiving others, not keeping in heart and mind about the personality, he has done like this with me. So these things Islam also teaches us. From our religion it will start, but we will neglect it, ignore it. Because of the job, we will concentrate on this. Okay, so anything in this? Anybody want to read this? What is group discussion? So that you will get idea in brief. Start please, anybody.
Group.
Group discussion. What is this? It is a methodology or a simple language. Please start. Please anybody start. In brief, what is group discussion?
Yes, ma'am. Group
Yes,
discussion.
please.
Group discussion is a methodology, or in a simple language, you may call it an
Excuse me, sorry
interview.
for the interruption.
Yes,
Methodology. Okay,
yes.
methodology.
Methodology. Yes, right.
Okay.
Group discussion is a methodology, or in a simple language, you may call it an interview process or a group activity. It is used as one of the best tools to select the prospective candidates in a comparative.
Prospective yani prospective means it is a growing candidate who can
Yeah,
grow and can achieve the things. Okay, who is growing and who is understanding the things and going according to that. That is a
yeah.
prospective candidates.
Who is capable for their job profile, ma'am?
Yes.
Yeah. Prospective candidates in a comparative perspective. GD may be used by an interviewer at an organization, colleges, or even at different types of management competition. A GD is a methodology used by an organization to gauge whether the candidate has certain personality traits and or skills that it desire in its members. In this methodology, the group of candidates is given a topic or a situation, given a few minutes to think about the same, and then asked to discuss the topic among themselves for 15 to 20 minutes. It's a very useful tool to screen the candidate potential as well as their skills.
Okay, good. I want to know group discussion. For the group discussion, for this you have to, it is a one of the process for the interview. So you on the spot they will give you a topic. So in a, what are the requirements for the group discussion? First requirement is you should think about the topic, thinking, and you have to convey whatever you have in your mind. You got the thought, you have to convey the things. So for that conveying you required English communication language. Okay, English is a language to communicate whatever the views you have in your mind. So and you should find the words to communicate the things. You should have some good vocabulary words. So for this, how you will inculcate, for this, how you will do this? So you have to read the things, topics, familiar topics. Today we have discussed about the how the internet or the mobile phones is a boon or a nonsense. So we will discuss one topic daily group discussion, and please involve in this group discussion with the new sentences, new words, vocabulary words. Okay, please come up so that if you got the opportunity to speak out without hesitation, you won't do that. Okay, with confidently and with effectiveness, you can do it. Okay, so
Yeah, ma'am. In
anyone want to read this? What is group discussion?
Ma'am, in sometimes the HR will ask you if you have some group discussion topics, you can discuss on the topic. He will say, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah, few months ago, my
Yes.
friend was attended one interview, and he said about if you want to discuss about some topic, he said you can discuss. So he chose COVID-19, ma'am.
Okay. Fine.
Yeah,
But you should have the stuff to say
yeah,
matter.
ma'am. We should have the continue. I mean, a boom, man. For we should say continually in progress. We should not stop and murmuring. Oh, we should like that.
Yes. 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 So here we have daily session. It is a mock group discussion interviews we are conducting. So be a part of this session. Try to, if you want to be a part of this session, just practice it at home before coming to this session. Practice it. Here you can say it. Give your best. So you will be in practice. So one day, if any opportunity knock at your door, you can grasp it. Okay. So
Yes,
anybody
ma'am.
want to know more about the group discussion? Read this. You were familiar about the group discussion. Did you have idea about what is meant for group discussion? Why they have taken this as a group part of the interview group discussion? Anybody?
Yes, the they are checking you are capable or not, and your strength, like your ability to listen what means your communication skill, your communication skill, interpersonal skill, motivational skill. They are checking your skill, strength, and you are capable or not. Flexibility,
Mm.
creativity, ability
Yes.
to think on one's feet,
Mm. Yes.
reasoning ability.
Yes. And what they will say, interactive skills means how you will interact with each other. Now
Yes,
here also in this session we are interacting. Okay, they will
yes,
check for your interactive skills and your behavior, how you will react to the others behavior, and how participation is most important thing, whether you are saying good, bad, or whether you are satisfactory or good, but participation is most important. Even you will, if you are in any competition, if you have not scored any position, They will give you the participation certificate also. So this is the most important thing for as is participation. And your contribution also, by keeping quiet, means you have given your contribution by keep quiet. If you are not feel that the person whatever he is saying, it is not correct, but you have kept quiet, so it is a contribution also. So
Yes,
be a
ma'am.
part of that group discussion, it is a contribution also. Okay, participation, contribution, and what else? What are the checkpoints they will check companies?
We should enroll with others, ma'am. If we sit silent, then
Yes.
it will be bad impression, and we are not eligible for next round.
Yeah,
We should speak, but slowly, at least
one or
minimum.
two sentences. Yes, good. And group discussion, they basically meant for checking, evaluating.
Evaluating us, ma'am, in different ways.
What they will evaluate by verbal communication, they evaluate non-verbal behavior,
Yes, ma'am.
confirmation to norms, decision making ability. Means you are on this spot, you are they are giving topic, so they are you are making a decision making ability.
Yeah.
You have decided that I want to be a part of this group discussion, and you are coming up with your views on that particular topic. Okay, and how you will cooperate in the group.
Yeah, ma'am. With this, they get to know what is our vision, what is our clarity, what are we seeing, what we can do with our
Yes.
vision. Yeah, if our vision is larger, then they can understand. He can able to work with us. Like.
Yeah, yeah. Good point. Yes. Next, anybody want to read about mobile phones? A boon or nonsense? Read this group discussion for and against.
Yes, for I can. Hello,
Yes, sir. Please.
hello. Uh,
Yes, sir. Please. Okay. Continue.
Everyone is available to others for 24 hours and
No, no, 24 by
24
7.
into 7 day 7
24 by 7, you can say. Okay.
24 7.
24 by 7.
Yes, 20%. My everyone is available for 24 by 7. People say mobile made life measurable by providing unlimited connectivity, but they don't understand the fact it also provides limited connectivity options, like you can switch off the mobile. Mobile proved lifesaver for human being is many area related with human health. Mobile provide boon for business as
Proved.
well, where
Mobile proved.
crucial mobile proved boon for businesses as well, where crucial information is at reach for the corporate decision. Mobile phones made life easy for people who are going to dis- distant areas for expeditions to be in touch with the rest of the world. Some mobile phone helps in communicating to their relatives quickly during emergency situation. Getting an ambulance is a call away. Signals offer plenty of opportunity to quick type an SMS. Parents give mobile phone to their children to enable them to contact during emergencies. Parents get update from school on their safe arrival.
Yes. Against who will say? Yes, against who will say? Mr. Muzammil, you continue against.
Mobile phone is hazard for human life as due to electromagnetic waves. Many people are suffering health problem of cancer etc. Mobile phone give ultimate connectivity for human life, which made the life miserable for people who have been overusing the mobile phone. Few people claim that user can control mobile usage, but in many cases, switching of mobile phone considered as unprofessional, so people not able to cope up with the requirement and overutilize the mobiles. Overutilizing of mobile is running of social life of people by communicating on phones rather be in touch personally with the friend and relatives. Mobile phone also determine the traditional because people are more
Deterring.
hmm,
Mobile phones also deterring the
deter,
traditions.
mobile phone also deterring the traditional traditions because
Traditions.
people are more busy talking mm, on phone on various cerom,
Ceremonies.
yes, various ceremonies and
Ceremonies. Rituals.
ceremonies
And
and
rituals.
rit- rituals. Mobile phone
Rituals.
ritual. Mobile phone also determine the office atmosphere as many
Deterring.
mobile phone also deterring the office atmosphere as many employees spending more time on mobile rather on work. Mobile phones causing accident because people are using them while driving. Younger generation waste lots of money on endless cell phone conversation, which can be avoided. But last
Okay.
point at the nowadays, instead of money, we can say lots of time because mobile data, internet data are very cheap nowadays.
Yes, yes. And recently, one of our participant, he has written a memo on this misuse of this cell phones at workplace.
Yes,
Okay, if any employee is misusing the cell phone at workplace, so organization will issue a memo on that
again,
particular
I
employee.
add one point. Nowadays, because of internet and mobile phone, human are getting very lazy because of
Yes,
mobile phones and internet. They
yes,
not interact. They are in a visual life. They are coming in visual. They are not
missing physical appearance.
hard work. Yes, yes. Physical.
It means they are losing their self member. They are concluding their full body only in phones to see the what. They are not looking the world. They are looking only cell phone and getting happy. Yeah, this is our world like that.
Yeah, means every life is inside the internet. Okay, they are
Yeah.
watching the world on the internet. So they are means that device is everything. No relations, no relationship, no like contacts with person. Only with the device.
Yeah, ma'am. This
Only
phone.
for them nowadays, for this generation, everything is device only. They want this generation people, they want like check for their relationships like mother, father, elders, like this generation people. Okay, They are
Yeah, ma'am.
stick with the device only.
Yeah, ma'am. Mobile and internet is it use it should be used as a that something. It is necessary. That's it. We should not use as a life savior. This is only life.
But children, they won't understand, no.
Yeah.
So they are misusing that, and they are thinking that everything is that only, the device only. They are not bothering about the relationships, parents, like that. Because of this online classes also, they are stick with that only device. But we people as a professional, we are using best use of this device. We are using and keeping aside whenever we want. We are using and keeping aside. Don't think that this is your world. Device is your world. Mobile phone, internet is your everything. This generation people, they are thinking like that only.
Yeah, ma'am. And one more thing, this phone and internet is made for made our life, not life to made easy. I mean, what we are doing in daily life, like something we should we can make easy, like calls
Yes,
and
yes.
internet explorers. We can do in a virtual ways, ma'am, not physical. If we
Yeah.
want to do something that we can't get over there, no, ma'am. If I am in Hyderabad, I want to go in Bangalore, but I
Mm.
can't go.
Yes.
So we can they make simple ways to make us easy, but
Yeah.
they think this life become easy with this. We
Yeah.
should not feel life is easy with this. Life is more complicated, ma'am.
Yes. In this technological era, everyone is smart. Okay. We should do our work with smartness. Not hard work is not there, only smart work.
Yeah, ma'am.
No hard work, only the smart work. So smart work is good rather than hard work.
Yeah, ma'am.
So that is why, so we can give, if you are not doing hard work, you are doing smart work. So give your time to other things, segregate the things and do the utilize the in the best way. If you are getting this one, some smart work, if you are doing, so be a smart, like we have seen how to be a smart, specific, measurable. If we can go according to that, achieving a goal, we can do it.
Yeah,
Okay,
ma'am.
I
Ma'am.
will share this. Okay, group discussion topic. I will
Okay, ma'am.
share in the group. Okay, you just prepare 4 to 5 lines on this. Okay.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes.
search another topics for GD, ma'am, because it's basic, no, ma'am, mobile and internet. So in our interviews there will be some difficult points as the difficult
If
topics
I
will
go
come.
for high level, if I
Yeah,
go for high level, only initially I have come up with this. I will go for other topics also, like
yeah,
topics usually you will get in the interview. This is the interview part, they will ask you. Okay, so
yeah, ma'am.
write 4 to 5 points by seeing this, and be prepared tomorrow for 10 minutes. You have to say, I will conduct this group discussion for 10 minutes. You have to say it one by one. Okay,
Yeah, ma'am.
please
Ma'am, I
do
want
it.
to say
Okay.
something about the GD, ma'am, group
Okay.
discussion. We
Okay.
should be as natural, ma'am, in our natural behavior. We should not say, I mean, some people will be in front of HR, they're different
Yeah.
people.
Yeah. Yeah.
We should be natural and confident to the straight, ma'am, confident and straight point. Just in,
Yes.
we should sit straight and I mean, we should. I mean, some people will sit in different ways, like
Yeah.
ugly type, ma'am.
Yes. For the
They don't
sake
know.
of job, they will behave like that. Then
Yeah,
afterwards, after recruitment, they will show their
yeah. We
what
should
they
be
are.
confident and we should be humble, ma'am. Sometimes, if we only speaking, we need to give chance for someone. That will be a plus point, ma'am. If HR sees, means
Yeah.
this person will conclude to your team. This person will take the back also for the team member that leads the team. He
Mhm.
thinks like that. If need to impress HR means we should be a good speaker, ma'am. If we
Yes.
are a good speaker, if I have a good communication skills, then the HR will impress. But we should be relevant to the topic and good listener in and our body communication means we should be good in many types.
Yes. Good points you have discussed. Good. Yes. Jazakallah, sir. So prepare well. Tomorrow, every day, I will conduct about yourself and group discussion on one particular topic. So before coming to the session class, be prepared for these two topics about yourself and the one group discussion topic. Okay? Okay for all? Done?
Yes, yes.
Yes? Sure?
Okay, madam. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum.
Thank you.